Okay, so this is the wig. I combed it out. I combed her out, right? And then I left some hair right here because we're gonna do a little bit of leave out. Now I was gonna wet it down. Let me sit down. So I was gonna wet it down first, but then I was like, let's just do it on camera, okay? So I'm gonna just go put this on and see how it is. I guess this is my first time trying a half wig. So I don't know what I'm doing, but we gonna do it together. Wait, hold up. I need a mirror. Now my hair texture is like a mixture between like the kinky curly and the jerry curly, but we gonna make it do what it do. I don't know if I left too much hair out, but to me this was a sliver. I bought some products. This is the products that I'm using in my hair. This is Mousse by Cantu. This is some edge booster. And this is curl gel. So let's try to make this look cute. Okay, so before we start getting into the wash and go, this is what the packaging looks like. Your typical pink packaging from Unice, okay? It came in a little bag. It was packaged really well, actually. It comes with the elastic band, edge brush, and a little stocking cap. And then this is a wig and how it looks inside. You have combs, you have adjustable straps, you have that drawstring to make it tighter if your head is smaller. The cap is actually very stretchy. Okay, so this is what she looks like straight out the pack. So let's go ahead in with the wash and go. I'm gonna use water to drench it. Then I'm gonna comb it through my detangler brush, and then I am going to use some mousse, and then I'm gonna follow up with the gel. Please understand that this is curly hair, so that's the reason why you are seeing some shedding. Okay, this is how the curls are defining. They look good. They look good. Let's do some more. Comb it through to remove all the shedded hair, and you should be fine. I didn't get any shedding hair after I did the comb through, and I did wash this unit, and it was perfectly fine. This is a unit that you will have to use some silicone mix to keep it hydrated and shiny and healthy. You will see me cut my wig a little bit shorter because I like more of a round curl fro. It just matches my natural hair texture better, and the front of my hair is short, so you will see me cut it and blend it to match the length of the front of my hair. But I'm glad I decided to blend it afterwards instead of just fully drenching the wig beforehand, because it helped my hair and the actual hair blend in good with each other. Now that all the product is in the hair, in my hair, I am going to go in and just comb everything together to figure out how I'm going to style this. So I do know that I wanted a side part, but I ended up switching the side part from this side to the other side. And this is my first time using this edge control, and it's pretty cool. Like I feel like it holds my edges down long enough. Like I'm one of those people that there's no products that'll just have my edges slick down to the gods. You feel me? Nothing lasts for me, but this one, the hold was pretty cool, and I'm not mad at it. Like my edges fluff up a little bit, but they still lay down. So I did decide to switch my part from that side to the other side, but I am gonna go in and chop this hair, as you can see. So I made it like shoulder length. It just looked better, especially with the front of my hair, like I said, because the front of my hair is shorter because I cannot stop cutting my natural hair. So I have the products in there, and then after I have it the shape that I want, I am gonna go in with my blow dryer and blow dry it until it's fully dry. Now, I am going to come back with another video with the front of my hair braided because I like how the girls is doing that. Like, it's a little cute little Jada Waiter, little cutie style. You feel me? And I'm feeling that. So I'm going to come back with the same half wig with my hair braided in the front. And we'll do a tutorial that way as well. So the next clip you see is a reinstall, and I actually finger coiled this, so the curls are actually a little bit bigger. But honestly, I enjoyed this. This mimics my natural hair so much. I hope you guys enjoyed. Until next time, bye best friends.
On the beat. On the